In Nigeria, the Federal High Court in Abuja has adjourned till September the 29th the hearing of a motion by the Osun State Government challenging the jurisdiction of the court on entertaining a suit against withheld local government funds. Osun State Government insists that since the vacation of the court came to an end on the 16th of September, the case should be transferred back to Osogbo, the state capital, for appropriate hearing and determination of the suit. A senior reporter, Celestine Area, has more details.
The state government's motion challenging the jurisdiction of the Abuja division was predicated because the fiat granted to the Attorney General of the Federation for the matter to be heard during vacation in Abuja had been overtaken on the ground that the vacation had come to an end. The motion filed by the lead counsel, Musibau Atumobi, senior advocate of Nigeria, also challenged the validity of the purported letter from the office of the Chief Judge of the Court mandating Justice Emeka Waited to substantively determine the suit in Abuja. The grounds of Mr. Adetumbi against the letter was that it was signed by a person who claimed to be a personal assistant to the personal assistant of the Chief Judge. He insisted that the integrity of the letter is in doubt, pleading with Justice Waited to first determine the validity of the letter before proceeding to the substantive matter. However, counsel to the Central Bank of Nigeria, Murtala Abdulrashid, and that of the Consul General of the Federation, who are both defendants in the suit, challenged the application of the plaintiff, alleging that it was employed to delay the expeditious hearing of the matter. The two senior lawyers told the court that the tenure of the elected APC chairman and councillors will come to an end on October 22nd, and as such, their case will become academic if not expeditiously heard. After taking arguments from parties, Justice Waited fixed September 29th for the hearing.
And the matter was brought for a vacation purpose. The judge, his lordship in Osogbo and his lordship here, were both appointed by the same agency. So you cannot say the matter should be taken. And there's no allegation against his lordship in Osogbo. There's none. So that is the bone of contention here now primarily. And his lordship has said is going to rule to hear all applications bordering on jurisdiction together. Assuming the Supreme Court says, because it has not been, or any court says, oh, they are not supposed to be there, and you have given money to them, what happened to the money when they have gone? And assuming the court say they ought to be here, there are authorities that they are entitled to their salaries, even after they had left.
The suit filed by the Osun State Government is seeking to restrain the CBN from opening accounts for the chairman elected on the platform of the APC in 2022, whom the state government affirmed have been sacked by the same Federal High Court and affirmed by the Court of Appeal. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.